Hello programmers, I'm Yash, sole programmer at planetvearcity, a place where programmers come to learn, build and grow. Welcome to tutorial series on shell scripting. In this video we will cover comments. When writing shell scripts, it is always a good practice to make your code clean and easily understandable. One of the ways to improve the readability of your code is by using comments. Adding comments to your script will make it easy for you to understand your code in the future. Let's go ahead and try using comments. This is the script we wrote in previous video for Hello World. And the way you use comment is with a pound sign. And I'll say this is a single line comment. It is also possible to do this. This is inline comment, and this is just word wrapping, and if I disable it will go there, but I just enable word wrapping so we can see everything. The good thing about comments is comments are ignored by the interpreter, so comments are just for you or whoever will read the code. That's for your understanding. So once again, comments are ignored by the interpreter. Unlike most of the programming languages, Bash does not support multi-line comments. The simplest way to write multi-line comment in Bash is to add single comments one after another. And this is how you can do it. Pound line 1, pound line 2, pound line 3, and that's how it's done. Comments are also useful when testing a script. Instead of deleting some lines, you can comment them out. So for example, let's say instead of this hello world, and this is let me delete this inline comment, and we don't want this for now, and we will say echo dash or let's just say we just want hello world. So right now the file is not saved, so let's go ahead and see the previous output. So this is the previous output from this line, and let's go ahead and save it and we will see the output. So let's mimic a scenario where you are testing your script and you don't want this line, you want this line instead. What you can do is you come on the start of the line and just put a hash and save the file, and when you run the code again you just get the next line. So that's how you can use it for testing. Well, if you are using code editors like me, then there is a shortcut to comment a given line or selected portion. In Visual Studio Code, it's command plus /. So let's go ahead and test it out. Let's remove this, and instead of typing hashtag, let's go ahead and do command and the /, and it will comment it out. The best way you will understand, I mean, for you cannot see my keyboard, but the way you will see it is I can do it for 2 lines as well. So I'll select the portion which I wish to comment and command /. That will make your life real easy. That's one of the reason I like to use this editors. And another one is this code highlighting, syntax highlighting, which makes your life a way lot easier, especially when you are a beginner. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have any question or comment, you can post them in the comment section below. Please make sure to support the channel by hitting like. Also subscribe to my channel for future videos. I'll see you guys next time.